welcome back to the channel. Last time you would have seen God's gift was on the dyno. It's been a month since then. Everything has been running great. This car has been fully ran in, it's been driving fully, and you're probably asking, what are we doing? Okay, so this car's been driven every day for the past month. It's been sooting along, going great. Running tune happened good, everything else went sweet. And then upon doing some work on it, a vac line has gotten pinched to the wastegate, which is down yonder. That has caused the car to overboost, and it sounds like we've got a big end issue. So we're gonna have to pull the motor out and have another geezer at it. Now, so what happens, I guess, shit happens. So we're gonna pull it out, have a look what's happened. But yeah, to be fair, we have been driving it hard every day, and before that issue happened, we have no other problems with this car. So the rebuild went great and everything else is working well. It's just this back line got pinched, and yeah, it happens, I guess. So we'll crack into it at least. Well, Jaden's already got most of this shit done, so that's a plus. And we'll get it done, pull the motor out, flip it over, and see what parts we might be needing to replace. So under here, we've already got the gearbox out because the master is at work. He gets shit done quickly. We'll check out our clutch too while it's out. All right, everything is disconnected. We are good to go. Getting the engine crane all sorted. So another reason why we haven't been doing much filming is because another member of the crew is now a daddy as well. So congratulations to my boy Connor. So yeah, we got two dads now. So yeah, it's a bit full on. We got a lot going on too. So good moment for us to get back together. It was bad circumstances though that we're here to pull this out again. We were hopefully going to start doing some filming on the Supra. We've got a bit going on at the front here, but yeah, we're not getting too far into that just yet. But yeah, we'll get this all rigged up, good to go, pull her out. We've just purchased a new engine crane, stand, sorry, which is somewhere in the shed, in the car. So we'll go do that, flip it over, have a bit of a geese. Our clutch also has seen better days. It's still pretty brand new, but obviously you can see a bit of heat that's gotten through it. So I don't know what we're going to do there. We might just rerun it. Should be right. Okay, we'll quickly chuck together our brand new engine stand. Get excited. All right, we've got the engine out. We're going to drain the fluids, or most of the fluids. We've only got engine oil left to do. We're going to modify this harness a bit here so we don't have to stuff around pulling all that extra shit out. So we'll cut that and add a plug in there, because we had to take all the fuel rail and that to get that off, which was a bit annoying. So we'll change that at a later date. We'll drain our drip tray, drain our oils, and then flip her over and see what the damage is. All right, we're just slowly stripping down the motor, as we've already done last time, so we haven't really going to go too in-depth into how we're doing it, because you've already seen this. Yes. Not the best of moods at the moment. Give us a smile, Connor.
Stat reacts only.
Stat reacts only. So we're going to lift the head and have a look at the damage. Once we've got the head off, we'll take the sump off and have a geezer. All right, we've just finished undoing our head bolts, nuts, studs, and we're about to, don't laugh at that, and we're about to pull the head off, have a look at the bores and the pistons to see what that is like. It doesn't look too bad. There's no marks on any of the bores. I mean, there's a little bit of something there, but nothing major. Nothing that looks out of the ordinary.
Cross hatching's still perfect. Yeah, there's a little bit of a score.
A little bit of something there, but I mean, there's no holes, which is the main thing. Might have to use a bar to wiggle it. They feel pretty tight. We've obviously got an issue though. Check the rods.
Oh wait.
Oh,
Rod's there.
bother.
Number 4.
No, it's 3.
So only one.
If you ain't bending, you ain't sending. Isn't that what they say? Damn. All right, we've dropped out the piston for cylinder 3. I don't know if the GoPro can pick that up. You can see a bit of a dint in there. Thank you for pointing that out, Connor. That is what was making a hell of a bad knocking noise. So thankfully the bearing's done its job and the crank is still good. Jaden's run off with the piston to show his missus, but we'll show you the conrod and it is absolutely cooked. Thankfully, thankfully the crank seems to be good. There is a bit of damage to the bottom of that bore there. That should be sweet considering the piston isn't really running on there. Bearing is...
It got hot, but it hasn't pitted anything.
Yeah, so it has gotten hot. So here's our piston from the issue. It looks a bit how you go on this side. We turn it this way and she's cooked. So that's one for the trophy, I guess. But yeah, that should be straight. So I guess that's what maxing out a pulsar does. But anyway, is what it is. Thankfully, the rest of the engine's not actually that bad considering how stuffed that is. So thank goodness. It's a pain in the ass, but it is what it is. But yeah, if we're going to go all out, get new rods and conrods and pistons, it's going to probably take the rest of the year to get that done. So yeah, we'll have to figure out what we're doing before we go any further with that, unfortunately. All right, so that was the end of the first video of the year. I know it's not the best video to have and not the best news to have, but it is what it is. Yeah, we'll try and keep you updated, try and do a few more videos in the year, but we've all got very busy lives now. So we'll let you know what's happening with the engine as soon as we know and as soon as we've made some decisions. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, keep on boosting, and we'll see you in the next video.